Hi, welcome back to another Learn to Hack GCSE video. Today I'm going to be showing you the server project. So this is a server that I've been working on for a while now, and it's all coded in Bash. And basically, if you look, here it is, and it's a fully functioning server and everything. And I thought it would be good to, make it online, or like show you me making it and programming it and everything. But obviously, because it's such a big thing, the first couple of episodes is just going to be me showing like the server and what I've already done. The majority of it's already done, but I thought, whenever I add things and everything, it would be cool to, do like a coding live stream sort of thing. So in this video, I'm just going to be showing you the login part of it, and the very first part, which is, being able to duplicate it. Because the entire reason I made this is to be able to, like, say if you want a server on your computer, but you don't want your friends to be able to, actually log into your shell and, do stuff on your computer. So I made this, so you can open it for the first time, and you can just create a new system. It's almost like a VirtualBox put in Bash, but yeah. But and it makes an entire system and everything that your friends can connect to and do whatever. So I'm going to be showing you that part, and I'm also going to be showing you the login. So here is just some Bash exe stuff, basically, because when you're running it on a server, it has to be an exe file. So that's just where it converts it to an exe. So here you can see, very first thing it does, one of the very first things, is it sees if exists as admin.rtech, go to start, and basically all the file extensions that you'll see that work, that like run stuff, are all .rtech, because when people log in and log into their account, they basically have like a shell sort of thing, and I wouldn't want them to be able to make text files and for them to have to be how do I put it? Like, I wouldn't say, like, to be an admin, it searches to see if there's an admin, like .txt sort of thing, and I don't want them to be able to make like a text file called admin.txt and suddenly they're administrator. So if we go down, you can see this is where it makes the system. So it'll say, if you want a new system, do all of this, and then you put in a couple of things in it, boom, puts all of these. This is the help.txt or the rtech thing. Basically, that shows all the commands. Whenever I want to add a new command, I just plug it in there. So this is the actual login that you'll see, and it says, login or create a new account. So first we'll go on to the new account. So when you go to new account, it goes to new account. So you find that. Actually, what would be a lot easier if we where is it? New ACC. Didn't really need to copy that, but oh well. Find new account. It's going up. Ooh, sorry. Boom. Okay. So when you go to new account, this is what happens. So it asks if you have a PIN, because I don't want people being able to make accounts whenever they want, because people are just going to spam accounts. So if I give them a PIN, they can enter the PIN here, and basically it will let them create their account. It's a one-time PIN that administrators can create. But if not, then you basically send like an application, which sends it to my messages, because I also programmed like an entire messaging system. I'll show you in another video. That'll probably be a video on itself. So yeah, that sends it to the admin message, and yeah, that does that. So this is the whole pin bit, and basically if it exists, pin.rtech exists, and it deletes it, and it lets you create a new account and everything. So that's basically that. But if we go up to the login, now in Bash, you can't really save stuff, you can't edit things, and that's why it all works through like files and text files and stuff. So because you can't really save things on code like you normally would, so say if you want to log in, if you want to log in, it goes to load. Okay, yeah, because basically this is because you can make multiple servers. If you want it, so when they log into a certain server, you can change what server they log into. So load OK is just that's already done for them. So you can see load is the server. So in this time it's just called system. So if they're logging into the system called system, That's the name, and then they log in, and then it goes, and then it basically says if %user %, which is what this is, what they've entered here, if that exists, then go to user OK. If not, so basically, when you make a new system, it creates the accounts here, and say if you type in, I don't know, Sean, it says if that exists, then that's obviously an actual user. So go into user OK, and then you enter the password. So it goes into that directory, and then you enter your password, and it says if password exists. So say if we go to, I don't know, my testing. So if you go into password Artec, if Bob equals 4675, if password equals whatever that is. Oh no, sorry. So basically, if they type in the password is Bob, because the password is Bob. Bob.artec exists, so that's here. So if Bob.artec exists, go to log. Okay. But if they type in, I don't know, password, it'll go if password exists.artec. Obviously that doesn't say password.artec, so when it's really complicated. That's because you can't. Batch doesn't let you save stuff, so you're having to create this whole new ideology of system to get this to work. But it's amazing. It's one of the best things. I don't think anyone, and I genuinely think this because I've looked online for hours and hours, I genuinely think this is the biggest batch project that's ever been made. But there you go. So that basically logged you in. It goes to log, and basically this just shows what time people have logged in, so administrators can see when they've logged in and stuff. And then it goes to main, which is all the commands. But before this is where you can type your command in. So basically, you'll have like a Unix sort of system, and you can do that. But before it goes to dashboard, which is one of the best creations, I think, because it's color in batch. Now, normally, if you want to change the color in batch, hold on, let me show you. So we have a normal thing. If you want to change the color, you do something like that, and you can't really have multiple colors. But this is like, it's amazing. Basically, it lets you use different colors, and I can't go into detail in this video because it takes so long. Basically, if I was to log in now, where is it? Here we go. To do this, there, and then you can see it uses different colors to say you have no messages, welcome Bob, whatever. And this is kind of yellow, but you can't really see that really. And then yeah, it has a chat room and everything. But again, that'll be another video. That'll probably be in the message view. But yeah, and then it goes there, and then you can type whatever your command is, and basically, let me get back there. It'll basically say if whatever goes there, and then these are all the commands. These are all separate commands, and this is what the entire script is basically, just all the different commands. So if you were to go in here, log in, then we do help. You can see all the commands, and you can do all of these. So like, I don't know, if you do, I don't know, server, you can run your own server if you want. You can just message stuff. You can do like SSH into something, whatever. And like, obviously I'll do this in another video, but the messaging system, you do MSG. Oh, whoops. There we go. If I message myself, Bob, just do here, you'll see it says, you have messages, MSG read. So if we do that, then it'll say Bob, and it will just say received that time, well, that day, and then test, and then you can delete it if you want. And then yeah, there you go. That's the basic messaging system and the whole chat room and everything. And it's really cool because me and my friends go on the chat room. And we talk and stuff, and it's cool. It's all over batches. Yeah. So that's the basic kind of login area, login, create new user. The creating user thing takes a while because basically when it creates a user, it goes into here, makes a directory called whatever username you called it, and then it also adds it to this text file which has all the users. That's from where I added it manually. Hold on. It does that automatically. Then in there it has a thing called, so basically if you're an admin it has this, because I account in admin. You also, say if you're an administrator and you want to see if anyone's doing anything malicious, you can see what they're typing, and so say if they're trying to delete something, which they wouldn't be able to do anyway. But that's the entire idea of the system. People can't do, malicious things. And then it also makes a password thing and a message, which is where the messages go. So yeah, that was the first video just explaining the basic login version of the server. There's so much to talk about with this server, and I'll be explaining that in another video. But I hope you enjoyed the very first episode in this little series. I hope it will become. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.